Hey guys, this is Andy again, back with another video. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, I do gameplay tutorials and also product reviews. If you like what you see, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, there'll be links in the description in case you're curious about the item that I have in the video. Thanks. Hey guys, so today we're gonna end up unboxing the Cam Link 4K from Elgato. So the thing is, it's a pretty small item, but I did want to end up unboxing it because at the same time, I've always been curious about what's actually inside the box. So if I'm curious about it, I'm pretty sure somebody else is too. So now to open it. Hopefully I don't ruin the box because sometimes I like to keep the box. Okay, so the box right there, and nice. So this is a Cam Link, basically. So just for frame of reference, again, Lucario. Let me just put him a little bit back, that way you can tell. And that's my amiibo, and pretty much the height of Lucario is almost the same height as a Cam Link. Yeah, nice. So what also comes with it is a USB cable, and I believe this side connects to another USB cable. So it's USB to USB. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be an HDMI. And the good thing is right here inside the box, it actually tells you how to connect everything. And just basically go to the Elgato website and you download the software, I believe. That's pretty nice. And that's pretty much it what's inside the actual box. It wasn't gonna be much, I knew that, but at the same time sometimes I do get curious about what's inside. So if I'm curious, I'm pretty sure somebody else is too. So since we finished that, I am gonna end up hooking it up to my camera so I could end up shooting another part of the clip. So I was gonna end up unboxing, well, kind of opening these booster packs, so it could actually, you know, give it a little bit more of an oomph in the video. So let me just hook this up to the camera, then we'll open these up. So hey guys, so we're back. So I decided to hold off on the Cam Link so I could end up connected to my camera, because what I was actually gonna do is have the Cam Link connected to my camera and have a webcam like placed right here so I could end up covering the cards. But for some reason my computer's not reading my webcam, then it became a little bit more complicated than I assumed at the beginning. So what I really wanted to do is just finish off this video, then I could actually focus and try to figure out a way so I could troubleshoot that situation. But it's fun. I like things like that, you know, trying to figure out how to, you know, solve that little puzzle that I have. So what I decided to do was open up these 3 packs. This Breaking Point booster pack, this other Breaking Point booster pack, and this Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. So I was gonna open up these 3 and show you the cards. Basically, I'm not 100% sure on how the whole rarity goes, and it's gonna be learn as I go. So it's pretty fun. I haven't collected Pokemon cards in a long time, so I'm pretty excited to actually do it again. So let's open up this first pack. It's the Burning Shadows, Sun and Moon. Pretty excited. Okay. I don't know the card trick because I have been seeing different videos, and the way that they end up having them is a little bit different. I'm just trying not to mess up the cards inside because I know sometimes once you end up messing them up, they cost less. Hold on. like the people that open up the cards and the thing, make it seem a little bit more easier. Oh, cool. So what I'm gonna end up doing is, if I end up butchering some of the names, bear with me. I'm starting to get into this. So cool. Yeah. All right. So before anything, the code card in case you end up playing the game. All right, cool. So Esper, Pantage, Merle, Charmander, Oddish. Oh, nice. Reverse Hollow. Then we got a Vileplume Hollow. Energy. I don't know. Porygon 2 and Charmeleon. Nice. So now we're gonna end up going with the next pack. So pretty excited to start collecting again, because at the same time, like I told you, haven't done this for a long time, so I don't know what's actually out there and what packs actually have the rarest cards. So little by little, I'll start learning again. Throw the trash over there. So I don't know the card trick, so I'm not even gonna bother. So that's a code card. So nice. Clefairy, Psyduck, Tantrum, Lamau, Gibble. Oh, nice. Reverse Hollow Shinx, Meowstic. I don't know. Wawa, Max Elixir, and Bayleaf. Nice.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Me neither. Yeah, Alexa messing with me. Hold on. Alright, cool. Now this is the final one, and let's see what we get. The whole exciting thing about opening up these Pokemon cards is I have no idea, so pretty excited. So that's the code card. There you go. Slowpoke, Clefairy, Psyduck, Tantrum, Lamau. Oh, nice. Reverse Hollow. Meltic. Oh, nice. EX Darkrai. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Nice. Professor Scamor? I don't know. Bursting Balloon. Luxo. Nice. I wonder how much that would cost. But we'll find out later. So, with that ends this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if you like what you see. So, have a good one. Bye.